今天你吃下了吗？
What can
You may think you need a boyfriend, but you don't. What you need is a cat. A big, chunky, beautiful pussy cat. Meouch.
Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed.
our cat gets so confused when we have to put our dog's ears up to eat?
My money don't jiggle jiggle, it folds. I like to see you wiggle wiggle, for sure, and make me want.
Can you remember any of the rap that you did?
My money don't jiggle jiggle, it folds. I like to see you wiggle wiggle, for sure. And
We are live from Sky Fox 1. Crackhead on the loose. Last seen smoking crystal meth out of a Pepsi can. Drives directly into a tree. Police are surrounded. Watch out. His name is John C.
One bop, two bop, three bop, four bop, five bop. Alright, so that's the Oh, God, you smell like shit. Well, anyways, remember this initiation, because you might have to do it one day. One bop, two bop, three bop, four bop, five bop. Alright, looks like you cleared, you passed, and you're... Wait a second. Oh, you smell like shit.